Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to change payment method on TEMU. If you've ever needed to update your payment method on an app, you know it can be a bit tricky. Today, I will guide you through the process of changing your payment method on TEMU, a popular shopping application. Whether you're switching to a new card or simply updating your payment details, I will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth transaction experience. So first, we need to open the TEMU application or the TEMU website and log in our account. And once we are logged in, go to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon. From there, find the payment methods option. In the payment method section, you will see your current payment method. Tap on it to either edit the details or add a new payment method. Enter the new information and save your changes. And that's how you change your payment method on TEMU. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.